When the sun goes down, the two most important things you need in a space are comfortable seating and the right lighting to evoke artful expression. Think about walking down a well-lit path at night. It's magical, it's fantasy.
To evoke artful expression with light, I love to use a lot of natural light, and I like to bring in the chandeliers, sconces, and pieces like that to just really create a warm ambiance in a room.
I like to evoke artful expression by choosing sculptural light fixtures which echo a home's interior design. So for example, if it's a Spanish-style home, I love to use a wrought iron fixture. If it's a more modern space, I like a modern, clean fixture.
I work with light to create artful expression by making my light pieces very dramatic. I choose larger pieces that set the tone, that are more of a statement. Instead of a small little pendant, I go for an oversized one. So to me, the scale really helps create the artful expression.
I evoke artful expression in different ways, one of them being a table lamp. I just received an alabaster table lamp, and it's a beautiful piece, and I love using it. It's like a sculpture.